Hi, long live, long life, good person, good life. Once again, welcome to my blog. I am your blogger, retired teacher, teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. My exact location now, join me. I'm having my morning exercises here in Davao City, Granville Subdivision, Catalunan, Pequeño. So the exact area that I am here now is here in Granville Subdivision, Catalunan, Pequeño. It's a wide space, wide area, so many residents, community residents here. I love to do my morning exercises. So Davao is now my new community, my new place, my new hope, new beginning. So this is the new chapter of my life, having my morning exercises, and just exploring community places nearby. So wonderful. It's really a nice life here, where Davao life is here again. Sharing you a glances of my new chosen life to live in the city of Davao. Davao, the land of the eagles, and the Dorian city, the land with the political will of the leaders. Okay, it's actually up and down typography or topography rather, topography and geography here. In as much as what I have learned is previously this is a mountain that was changed or converted into subdivision. Let's go on our morning exercises. The weather is fine, very favorable. It's not too hot on this more than almost 8 o'clock in the morning already as I have this video. So I'm going up of the typography of this area. As you can see, the community, they are having their outside parking, one side parking only. This is it. There is no space anymore for the vehicles. It's a wonderful day. Wow, I'm really enjoying my chosen life now. No restriction. No one will call me, will text me, will chat me that you are strictly prohibited from posting your post. Ouch, there's a big dog. Oh my gosh, there's a big dog. So, actually, dogs are allowed in the subdivision, but you have to place your dog inside your housing unit. The homeowners should have their cage, or they will have the tie, no? Itatali yung mga aso. Strictly prohibited. So here I am now, having my morning walking exercises. It is a peaceful community, the Granville, and I love this one. Mabuhay, good morning, beautiful lady. So, this is another area. I think you can have your morning exercises, but I don't know where is the entrance, perhaps there. Oh, thank you for the feeling, favorable feeling of being here today. I praise God. I am good. All is well. I am restored. I'm happy. I am no stress. So every day, let's declare our positivity in life. In as much as 100 years from now, it does not matter anymore. It's not already our concern. So let's just have our living our moment. So I live my moment well, just like this one exercising. really exciting life every day in the subdivision. People in the community are good, peaceful, loving people of Davao. Yeah. So we will have our another walking exercises on that area. Move on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's so nice. The weather is cooperating. Let's keep moving on. Oh, I don't know where I'm heading now, but I'm not really familiar with the street here in Granville. If you are not familiar, you will be lost here in the community. Okay, there are pedicabs that will take you to your home if the homeowners don't have vehicles. Stores are also allowed, changi like that. Okay, you can put up your own business also. So, this is it. Okay, where are we heading now? Oh. Let's go back on this area. There is also a place for the homeowners to have their basketball time, leisure on this community. Hi sir, mabuhay, good morning. So I really love my life now. Someone is there in the basketball court. So for now, this is my a day in Granville subdivision. The retired teacher. Life, a day in my life. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Thank you for joining me today, my vlog, as I featured my daily life in Davao. Davao life is here again. Life is here in Davao City. So join me, my new community. I'm your vlogger, retired teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. Live and alive in Granville subdivision, Catalunan, Pequeño. Don't forget to like, comment, share my Mabuhay channel, my YouTube, and my Mabuhay page. Like also follow me also on my Facebook account, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, and my page and to Mabuhay YouTube account. Thank you for viewing my channel. Vlogger of the century, retired teacher Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, signing off. Thank you, viewers, followers, everyone, and subscribers of my posts and posts. Mabuhay! Till my next vlog.